Kontrolado ba kami ng mga binan ko since nakatira kami sa iisang bahay? So, me and Milan will be answering that. Nanggaling kaninang umaga si Milan sa farm and daladala niya itong napakaraming mga mangoes na to, guys, oh. So, it turns out, ito palang mangga na ito. Pagdating sa data dito. And ito yung ano natin, mango. Ayan. Apple yan, papa. Plastic caliper. Huhugasan na natin to and I don't know about other people kasi other people respect their Nanggaling kaninang umaga si Milan sa farm and daladala niya itong napakaraming mga mangoes na to, guys, oh. So, it turns out, ito palang mangga na ito, gagawin nilang mga mango sorbet. Ayan, oh, napakadami. So, yun yung mga yan, guys, hindi yan mga hinog. Yung mga yan is mga unripe mangoes. Tapos, meron kaming mga ano dito, mangoes dito na pinapahinog. Mami, adyo na ipay kaya? Na ipay kaya adyo. So, hindi pa daw to pwedeng kainin. Pero, yan yung mga gagawin natin na mango sorbet and ihahanda natin sa mga bisita. So, gagawa din kami dito sa bahay. Kasi nga manganganak na ako and for sure, maraming darating na bisita dito sa bahay namin. So, yan yung isa-serve namin. And the time right now is 9 o'clock. Actually, nag-edit na ako ng video ko dito, guys. Kasi 9 o'clock daw, mawawalan ng power or internet. So, kailangan ko nang ayusin yung aking video sa YouTube para kahit pa paano hindi na ako mamroblema sa data. Ewan ko ba bakit laging ganyan? Bakit sobrang daming problema pagdating sa data dito. And ito yung ano natin, mango. Ayan. Apple yan, papa. Pakwa no cheque serbet, mango serbet. Serbet ba ano che? Pakwa no na chale?
ચાલે હજુ 5-10 દાડા રહેવા દે થારું
5 to 10 days.
થઈ ગઈ ને યલો થી white ને બદલે એટલે ચાલે ને આ મીઠી લાગશે
Okay. So, pag gusto mo daw kainin ng ripe mango yan, it will take you 5 to 10 days. Punch das divas pakwa no ne?
આ મટીરીયલ છે ને એ white હોય ને તો ના પાકે કે યલો થાય ને
પાકે.
યલો
એટલે પાકે કહેવાય.
એટલે પાકે છતાં બી હજુ 10 દિવસ રાખે તો
Okay. So, another learnings from Papa. If this is white daw, hindi yan mahihinog. But right now, it's kulay yellow, so mahihinog siya. So, ayan.
we are having banana harvesting, guys. After the typhoon damage, we are trying to save as much banana as we can. This guy is finding the good banana and then cutting it, and those guy will carry it outside. And that guy is cleaning banana. Then we will measure the weight.
Meron na tayong parcel. Milan, you open the parcel
So
for me.
many parcel.
Sobrang parcel. Dami.
Dami.
So, ayan guys. Open na ni Doc Milan. What is inside? Tararam, taram. Halikit. Di ba, relax?
What is it?
Open na.
It's something.
Something what?
Look,
Open. What is it?
baby laundry wash.
Laundry wash.
You realize that you still have 2 months to go.
Nah,
Why
we
are you
have
so
to wash.
excited?
We have to wash the baby's clothes daw, so we can pack already.
Germ-free baby laundry wash.
This is a refill. That is the other one.
But where is the conditioner for clothes?
Nothing. That's the one only. And then this is ano? This is baby's items.
What is this?
Baby's items, powder, everything. Open na.
Gentle baby soap, baby massage oil,
Mm-mm.
baby powder,
Ah.
baby lotion, gentle baby wash,
Mm-mm.
baby shampoo,
Dumating na si mami. Nakikiisyoso na
Baby
siya
cream.
kung ano yung dumating.
diaper rush cream,
Mm-mm.
the baby wipes.
Mm-mm. Open na.
Everything.
Check everything. Yes.
No, you don't. I don't want to open it. It's very good pack.
Mm-mm. Ayan na. Ito, kailangan talaga natin to. We have to go and buy this na. Kasi we have
But
to...
we need to buy fabric conditioner also.
Unay jarurat
smoothing.
tare.
Yes, you need fabric conditioner for good smell.
Mm-mm.
Like something. What do you call it in downy?
Downy. Downy.
Downy.
Something like downy.
बास्केट में
So,
लेवा
ayan.
के दी दवा मुकवा
Ah, yung basket.
Soilo.
So, kolo na. O-open na ni mommy ito.
Basket na toti.
Plastic calitor.
तार लेवा के दी मैं ऑनलाइन में जो
Ayan.
दवा वो मुकवा
Yan, complete package na yun. Actually, Milan, there's also Johnson's. You know the one I'm using, Johnson's baby powder. But they're saying this is a good company also.
What? Himalaya? Himalaya is Indian brand. Johnson
Very
is
good
international.
company daw.
I think you should have go with
जॉनसन
Johnson.
कंचन अमुक में हाथ
Brushes.
This is more natural,
Mm-mm.
not chemical.
Open it. Check everything inside. Ayan, meron siyang basket.
Kevi rito open ko.
Open it. Remove the
Cellophane.
the cellophane.
ना आटलुक थाई
Badhu kaadyan.
That.
This is properly packed, Ilan. It's better if you don't open it. Ja, badhu bobo siya.
Hello, Apo. Let me check. Ayan, kapag may mga parcel talaga, guys. Siya yung unang-una talagang nagbubukas.
वो बास्केट में ऑनलाइन चोरी को दवा वो मुकवा
So, ayan. Dami niyan. Meron tayong baby wash. Meron tayong baby shampoo. Meron tayong baby cream. Meron tayong baby soap. Ayan.
Meron tayo baby wipes.
Show them.
Meron
Baby
tayong
wipes.
baby wipes.
Ah.
Meron
Soap.
tayong baby soap.
Baby soap.
कभी गया वो नहीं
And meron tayong
Diaper
baby
rescue.
rash cream.
Powder. Lotion.
Mm.
How smelly is it?
It's good.
Must smell.
This one is, what is this? Baby massage oil.
हम कपड़ा धोવાનું છે
આ કપડા ધોવાના.
अभी वो
Yes. And there's this one, moms and babies.
Indian Lotus, sunflower.
So, along with this one, dumating na yung mga godaryo natin. Mommy, ake lubanig yung chadar 6. Ayan. Milan ha. They even made
Look.
design.
Different size.
Oo.
For the small baby.
Oo.
महीना हवा में ना
Ayan.
चले
This for only 2 months.
Oo. This one, big one.
ये मुट्ठी
And then this
6
one.
8
Ayan.
महीना लगे
And after that,
Mm-mm.
the big one.
बद्दी मोटी चाहिए हल्की 4
So, yan yung gagamitin natin kapag
This for
iihi yung
only
baby. So, the sofa or anything will not be wet.
So you can put baby
Oo.
when you are putting it on sofa. You have to put this first.
Oo.
So it will
Para
stop
hindi
the
ma-wet.
pee and poo poo.
Oo.
It's smooth.
So, ayan, ready na siya, guys. Tapos ito, huhugasan na natin to and ilalabhan na natin. Apra daw ano, nebadu kapra. So, dumating na yung mga fabric conditioners and sabon para sa baby. Ano, biju chen eh.
And then we have already
Tranche biju. Diyan no guys, tingnan mo yung cupboard natin. Punong-puno na ng mga baby items. Ayan. See? So much. Yan, ang dami. Haru. Our baby will come July na or August. It's rainy season that time. So, kailangan
no,
natin
you
ng...
put in below.
Oo.
Then you can put this thing. Abhin na bata mangai.
We will still buy down ng ganito guys para sa baby. Hi guys.
Hello.
So question and answer tayo ngayon and answerin natin yung question nila Milan.
Yan.
Meron silang question sa atin wherein they're asking if kontrolado ba kami ng mga binan ko since nakatira kami sa iisang bahay. So me and Milan will be answering that. What can you say about that?
It's culture. It's somehow it's control, but it's for your own good.
So, totoo niyan guys, since nakatira kami sa iisang bahay, so, syempre, kailangan mo makibagay sa kung ano yung rules nila. Sila yung nakakatanda sa atin. They are the head of the family. So,
But it's out of respect. Like they are our parents and we should listen to them more often than just always go against them and do whatever you please. It's for your own good way of life.
obviously, there's advantages. There's also disadvantages. Pero, dito sa kultura kasi nila sa India, yung mga anak na lalaki talaga, sila yung magsistay kasama yung mga parents nila. So, meron mga ups and downs na
But
mararanasan.
they don't control our spending, they don't control how we earn, they don't tell us
In our
where
family.
to travel, where to go.
In our
None.
family. But other family, it's
They
very
tell
different.
us which relationship you have to go, what do you call
They're
vyavhar?
teaching us how to deal with people.
Yeah, deal with
Relationship with
relationship.
other people.
Like you have to go this, you have to go do
You have to
this,
do
you have to
this.
give this much money to there.
They're just doing it para sa own good namin. So,
To teaching
dito,
us.
dito, hindi namin minamasama kung kontrolado kami. If gusto nilang magising kami ng maaga, if they want to wake us up early, it's for our own good din. Kasi, marami nga namang nagagawang trabaho in the morning,
But we
right?
still didn't wake up early.
But hindi naman ibig sabihin na kontrolado kami. Lahat ng sinasabi nila, sinusunod namin. Sometimes me and Milan wake up late, 7 o'clock. Now that I'm pregnant, 9 o'clock. Ganon. So, actually, don't take it in the wrong way that nakatira kami sa bahay ng mga binan namin and lagi na lang kami sunod-sunuran. Both of us, meron kaming sariling income. We have our own money. So, yung pera namin, kami yung gumagastos accordingly. Hindi nila pinapakialaman.
It's not like we cannot have separate house. We can have it very easily.
We have so many space where we
But-
can put the house. But, what's the point of separation? Like,
We
anong
just like
point?
staying together.
Anong point kung magse-separate kami? Napakalaki ng bahay. It's a very big house. 3-story, 3-floor house. Tapos, lahat ng kailangan namin nandito na. Meron ng mga expenses, lahat ng expenses,
I look
isahan
dark,
na lang.
don't I?
No, you look handsome.
I think I look dark.
What can we do? It's your natural color. Going back to the topic, there's actually, sa likod ng bahay namin, merong space. There's space kung gusto namin magtayo ng house doon or bungalow. Pero bakit kami bubukod? What's the point of separating? Sabi nila kasi lumalaki na yung baby natin, baby. They're saying that
Especially
they're
after
having
the
baby
baby.
already.
No, it's really helpful if you have parents.
Uh-uh.
For me, for us.
I don't know about other people kasi other people respect their privacy. Pero I appreciate na kasama namin yung mga biyanan namin this time, especially ngayon na buntis ako because hindi ako nade-depress, no stress at all. They take care of everything for us. And
She don't do anything. She can
we
just
talk.
rest.
We have someone to talk to. We are not bored. Someone will come and talk to you. Something like that. Instead na nakatira ka sa city. For example, you're living in the city, living alone. Who will do the household
Yes.
chores? who will talk with you, who will accompany you whenever you have check-up, especially if Milan is going to the hospital. So,
She will be alone.
it
Instead,
does matter.
she have always someone to give water, to give food.
So, meron silang sariling pera, meron kaming sariling pera. But in terms of expenses, isa lang yung considered na whole house expenses. At sometimes they spend money, sometimes we spend money. So, it's considered our whole money. So, ganun siya.
They're trying to shift the
Like, the responsibility to us. So, ayun, yun nga, kasi nga, medyo matanda na rin kami ni Milan, bumubuo na rin kami ng pamilya. So, Papa is, yung binibigay na niya yung responsibility sa amin. Kami na yung madalas na nagdi-decision sa mga investment purposes, sa yung mga bagay na
they're like,
in
I
the
will be
future.
advisor. You take decision when you need advice. That time I will
If
be
gusto
there.
mo mag-invest dito, bahala ka mag-isip kung paano mo papalaguin yung pera na ipapamana namin sa'yo. Basta kami, we did not sell any land. We buy this, we buy that. Now, it's up to you how you will go and make your life progress more. Ganun siya. So, we are not controlled actually. We can still do. Up until now, right now, if you want to go somewhere doing roaming around or tour, if I'm not pregnant, we can go for 10,
you can
15
go.
days,
No matter,
20 days,
they will
1
not ask you
month.
when you are going.
It's okay. We can go whenever we want because we have the freedom to do whatever we want. But in terms of socializations,
We cannot say for everyone who is living together, but
yes, other people have problem, no? Because me and Janu have good relationship. Everyone have good relationship here. So we understand each other. But other people, other family, they are very tight with their budget. Ayun, meron talagang pamilya. You cannot deny that.
there will be problem if you try to control someone.
So many families here, the money is still in the hands ng mga parents nila. Young couples, they don't have enough money na para gumastos para sa sarili nila. But we are lucky. We have very modern family. We are both earning, so we have the freedom to do whatever we want. Right now, I just bought so many baby clothes, so many baby items. They did not
Whatever
say
they
anything.
like. She can
Whatever
get.
you like, it's your money. You do accordingly. And then you just show, and then mommy will open. What is it? And then, ayun. So, ayun guys. I hope naliwanagan kayo sa topic natin ngayon. And thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
I'll see you tomorrow.